Vibe coding is great for building sandboxes. It's terrible for building production software. When your project scales past a single file, your development velocity drops because you're treating the AI like an oracle instead of an integrated execution engine. If your workflow consists of asking a browser chatbot to write a script, copying it to your IDE, running into a terminal error, and pasting that error back into the chat window, you aren't engineering. You're manual glue. To fix this, we have to split our tasks by scope. Stop debating which model is better and start allocating them correctly. Cursor is built for inline efficiency. If you're building out a mobile interface in React Native or polishing an Expo component, the inline flow is unmatched. But the second you need to touch 6 files, configure a fast API router, run a Postgres database migration, and test the backend integration, Cursor is the wrong abstraction. That is where Claude Code's agentic loop takes over. It reads your environment, executes the terminal commands, and closes the loop automatically. Even the best tool fails if your context is bloated. Developers love dumping entire repositories into a prompt just in case. This is a mistake. Language models generate token by token. Every piece of irrelevant data dilutes the attention weights. If a file doesn't directly touch the specific endpoint you are modifying, leave it out. Keep a static claude.md configuration file in your repository root defining your specific conventions, like enforcing a strict blue-based color palette or requiring mobile-only architecture. The engine reads it automatically, cutting your context footprint significantly. The biggest failure point in agentic AI architectures is drift. You hand a system an instruction like build out this complete backend framework and walk away. Long, unsupervised chains compound minor errors. The solution is enforcing strict validation checkpoints. Force your agents to stop, render a unified diff, pass a local test suite, and wait for a single human validation click before pushing to your Docker container. Finally, look at your initialization parameters. If you are re-explaining your stack constraints inside your conversational thread, you are wasting baseline performance. Set a definitive system prompt at the engine level. Command the model to adopt a senior lead engineer tone. Emphasize logic, directness, and efficiency. Tell it to prioritize correctness over speed and to flag security issues instantly. Stop building sandboxes. Lock down your context, optimize your loops, and deploy cleanly. Hit subscribe for more direct engineering workflows. I'll see you in the terminal.